What's happening, bruh?
What'd you buy? You spent some money?
My scanner's getting updated.
What? Your scanner?
Yeah, my scanner, bro. Diagnostic scanner. You gotta have to be able to check cards. That's it.
Is this part of the lifetime warranty?
Yeah.
Right on. What's up?
How you doing, man?
You're on candid camera.
Oh.
Yo.
It's MDT10. You keep up to date on your subscriptions for the update compatibility, having the software. It always stays under warranty.
Very important, guys. How long does this process take?
Not too long. A few minutes. I just got to get it hooked up to Wi-Fi real quick.
Oh yeah.
And so we're one of the only tool companies that offer a quote-unquote lifetime warranty on ours because of this. So
Word up.
yeah.
Get all the candy in the candy store.
Oh yeah, you need to get the box, Dean. Put this in the
Dude,
the
I know.
Mercedes.
Bro, I know. That would be so sick.
We can make that happen.
Right?
Yeah, you got a solid, you know,
Is there a-
still top.
Do you have a shorter one? A shorty?
Not at the moment, man. Yeah, that one's a little taller than.
Dude, this is nice. You could clear all the codes I got on my van now.
Is that okay?
All sorts of
The
junk.
MDT10 does a lot more than most of the other scanners that you will find out there. The biggest thing I love about the Mac scanner
Yeah.
is it doesn't take the information and stack it on top of the information.
Okay.
It clears it completely out and loads in all the new updates instead of old information, new information,
Yeah.
old
yeah,
information,
yeah.
new information.
And then it's always there.
And it constantly just breaks it down, and eventually it's slow as hell.
Yeah.
And when you're diagnosing something, you need it to move, not be slow as a snail. I mean, we got to have some turbo action going on here.
Straight up. Dude, thank you, Kevin.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Get your Mac tool on, y'all.
That's it.
That's right.
Alright guys, super excited to show you part one of this build. It's for Danny Garcia out of San Antonio. He found us on YouTube of all places. He originally came to us, it had a Magnuson 2300. He wanted more power with some drop-in pistons, rods, and this Armageddon kit. Specifically wanted this kit for his 2017 truck. Let's roll that build.
Clear in the back. Pick some more. More. The back is good for now. Alright. Good? Yeah, keep coming.
Yeah.
Go back more. There. Ready? There. Yeah. go with it. I don't know.
Got the good stuff.
Always.
Dude. Klondike. Got Blue Bunny. Chris, what are you getting?
Oh, the bomb pop.
Oh god. The fudge.
What is that?
Juice.
Water, natural waters,
What?
How much are those?
mango, pineapple, lemonade, and watermelon.
What's up, Jimmy?
What's up, bro?
How are you?
Good, man. Here for some frozen something.
Elotes?
I know. I want to get the bigger one.
That's the same. That's just a
No,
different tire.
no, the one that he has. Oh. All right, Lex, you're up.
I don't.
Oh shit.
Have you tried it before?
I was trying to take my
Holding
foot
on
off.
to him,
Yeah, she
I
held
don't wanna
on to
do
me
it
and did it.
myself. and I've surfed.
You ready?
Ready for what? Let's get on that?
Yeah.
Oh, hell no. Exactly. I already know I'm gonna break a bone. Then all that work I've been doing in the gym.
How does it drive, Dean?
There's two sensors on the front. Once you cover both, it'll balance for you. So then you just kind of like relax. If you don't relax, you're gonna do some weird stuff like. Don't leave that front foot on there, for sure.
He did a burnout. About to send it.
Yeah, so try fourth gear real quick and see what mile an hour we're going.
Before we shut down part one of this video, we're gonna leave you with this pull. Doing one pull on the road, on the streets of Mexico.
Oh, I think I just came a little bit of my
And
bag.
that's sick for low boost, bro.
That's fucking crazy.
On 93 octane, dude.
That's so crazy. Literally pump gas. You just pump
Yeah.
that in.
Is that not awesome? Yeah, you videoed us putting the gas in it.
Yeah.
It just shows you. Now again, that's it.
Testing
So then
the
if you
car.
want more, you hit this again, but then you gotta have race gas in it. And then it'll
Oh,
make
so it
15
then
plus
boost, you have to
pounds.
just basically, but he
Put
doesn't
race
have to flash it, the whole thing
No.
with the computer.
All you do
just
is watch.
manually.
Watch, ready?
And you just,
Bam.
and you know, it's like
But yes,
it's a
if he
preset
really
system.
wanted to, like
He could
that,
go
that's
in
wastegate.
and manually.
Yeah, but I have it where, watch. Program. A is at 40. B is 90 is the highest you can go.
Wastegate meaning that.
Wastegate meaning whatever pound spring is in the
that's what it will
wastegate,
do.
that's how much boost it makes. So off is wastegate. So 6 pounds of boost, that's just what the wastegate spring is. Then, which I've been driving it around on this setting. Hold on. which he might drive around on wastegate, but I've been driving around on that, which should make like 9 or 10 pounds. And that's right over 700 of the tires, which is perfect for 93 octane, in my opinion. I mean, y'all just rode in it. Feels good for a truck, right?
Yeah, I feel like
Pulls.
I love it. Like, to me, that right there, if a Mustang does beat you or a Camaro does beat you, you say, hold on 1 second, and you do this, and you say, okay, let's do it one more time, and then you make them look like an idiot. You know? That's awesome.
that's crazy.
Yeah.
In a truck.
And if you,
That's
like, look how
crazy.
it idles
drives
so
like a
smooth.
regular daily.
Yeah. I love it.
Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. Remember, if it's your first time here, please hit that subscribe button. If you've been here before, don't forget to leave a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Share the video if you're into it. And check out our Instagram for more updates at latemodelracecraft. See you next time.